and nchuanwu scent leaf. After we stir, hello Chi family, how are you guys doing today? So tell me how you like enjoying your white rice. Do you like eating your white rice with your stew, your tomato stew, or chicken sauce, or beef sauce, or any type of sauce? Or you come with us, let's make one delicacy you will like, you will love it. Let's make ofe akwu. Ofe akwu is made with palm fruit. So let's go, let's make ofe akwu. You will believe with me, if you are in Nigeria, or most especially if you are Igbo, we love to prepare ofe akwu. So if you are tired of eating tomato stew, you can prepare ofe akwu and enjoy your rice. So come with me, let's do it.
Yes, it.
Say happy New Year.
Yes.
So I'll be going in with our meat. These meats, I'll be cooking soup and stew with this meat though. I've washed it two times, so this is the third time I'm washing the meat.
So we are going in with onions. This is onions. We are going in with onions. This is onions. Then pepper. This pepper will not be enough, I know, but let's just manage it like that. So our cube, I'm going in with our cube. Salt. Look at this texture we have. Time to add our meat. We are going in with our pepper. We will be going in with our cube. We are going in with our sliced and washed vegetable. We are using ugu, pumpkin leaf, and nchuanwu scent leaf. After we stir, Good morning, my family. How are you guys doing this morning? How was your night? Hope you slept well. So today you can see my hair. I'm going out to plait my hair, just to do little touches to my hair. I'm going to plait my hair with this thread. The place is not too far from our house. It's not too far from our house, so can't see. You can see there?
No.
It's dark from there.